Hello and welcome to The Brief, where we bring you key economic developments that occurred in the previous week and key activities to watch in the new week. It is the last week of July 2022 and the uncertainty over the nation's fiscal regime with the ballooning budget deficit and a projected huge subsidy expenditure for 2023 raises concerns on the economic stability of the nation. For the key socio-economic events from last week, the Monetary Policy Committee of the Central Bank of Nigeria by unanimous decision voted to raise the monetary policy rate by 100 basis points from 13% to 15%. According to the Central Bank of Nigeria Governor, Mr. Godwin Emefiele, the decision to hike the rate was aimed at curtailing inflation and reducing the pace at which consumer purchasing power was being eroded. The federal government announced that it has recorded a 3.09 trillion naira deficit in its 2022 budget implementation between January and April, just as it will budget 6.72 trillion naira for fuel subsidy in 2023. The Minister of Finance, Budget and National Planning, Mrs. Zainab Ahmed, disclosed this at the Public Consultative Forum on the Draft Federal Government 2023 to 2025 Medium-Term Fiscal Framework and Fiscal Strategy in Abuja. Also, President Muhammadu Buhari, GCFR, unveiled the new Nigerian National Petroleum Company at the Presidential Villa, Aso Rock, Abuja. At the event, it said the company will guarantee national energy security. For the week ended 22nd July 2022, the key highlights from the capital market revealed the following. The equities market recorded negative performance as the listed equities market, NGX ASI, recorded a minus 0.45% loss week on week, and the NSD OTC closed negative with a minus 0.67% loss. The AFEX and NAFEX rate closed negative. The BDC rates closed flat. The Brent crude oil price moved up, while the West Texas Intermediate crude oil price moved down at the end of the week. The FMDQ debt market size closed positive. AFEX ACI closed negative, while the AI index closed positive. From what to expect from the markets this week, published by ProShare. From the money market, ProShare analysts expect funding rates to hover around current levels in the absence of any significant inflows. For the Treasury bills market, analysts expect the bearish sentiment to wane as NPR hawkish outcome begins to weigh on investors' decision. In the bond market, ProShare expects the bearish sentiment will continue as investors drift from long-term investments due to higher inflation expectations. Looking at the economic, financial, and capital market events to watch in the new week. On Tuesday, July 26, 2022, the Arthur Stephen Asset Management will hold a special webinar series focusing on the theme, The Effects of Energy Prices on the Nigerian Economy. Nengi Sokari, research analyst, and Carlo Aja, financial analyst and planner, will be speakers at the webinar. Time for the event is 2 p.m. Also, Cornerstone Insurance Plc will hold its 2022 annual general meeting on the same date. For Thursday, July 28, 2022, it will be a busy day as Fitson Healthcare Plc and McNichols Plc will hold the annual general meetings respectively. On the same date, Mr. Wole Adeosun will be formally inaugurated as the president of the Thai Institute of Stockbrokers. Also on the same date, the Lagos Commodities and Future Exchange will be fully inaugurated and is expected to create more value for the capital market through the commodities ecosystem. The Nigeria Aviation Holding Company will hold its 2022 annual general meeting on Friday, July 29th. To wrap up the week, AFEX Commodities Exchange will lead stakeholders across the finance, technology, and agriculture space to its Code Cash Crop event designed to further boost the value chain, develop the capital market, and of course, support economic development. The event is scheduled for Saturday, July 30th. And that will be all for this edition of The Brief. You can join our website, www.proshare.co, to read our news stories, reports, and watch our videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great week, and please stay safe.